So you have fast braces there. How are they different than traditional orthodontics? And you say they work,
They work.
braces.
Oh, they definitely work. Oh my goodness. So, you know, typical patient as a patient, you've had ortho when you were younger. You lost your retainer, teenager. Who's going to know the value of having braces at that age and wearing a retainer?
Okay, good point.
You know, so you've lost your retainer. So your lower teeth, you know, if you're, you know, let's say over 40, you know, when you smile, what happens is your face changes, and a lot of people, all you see are their lower teeth when they smile. So they start to get a little crooked, you know, because, you know, the lower teeth, a lot of them are moving. And so typical patient comes in and they're like, you know, doc, I just don't like these two teeth. Okay, great. That very same day, we will put the fast braces on, and actually probably within 4 weeks, they come back. They're like, oh my God, you know, my teeth have moved. They're back in line, you know, and they're smiling.
Are these metal brackets?
They are.
Do they have a white option, like that don't show?
They do have a white option.
Okay.
But
Or
a clear option, right? But a lot of patients, you know, especially once you get over a certain age, they don't really care about how they look. They just want to be able to get their teeth straight again and do it in a shorter period of time. So they would rather deal with, you know, the metal option in the shorter period of time versus, you know, the clear option in a longer period.
So traditional ortho is like 2 years?
Yes.
Because they're moving all the teeth?
Yes.
Fast braces can be like 6 months to a year.
Actually, fast braces can be up to 90 days, 120 days, you will see.
Why is it so much faster than regular braces? I'm not getting that part.
The bracket's different. You know, the mechanism is different, and the wire is different. And so the wire works a lot faster than your traditional braces. And you will see, like I said, you'll see that movement. Actually, I had a patient come in just this week, older lady, you know, and, you know, had taken care of all the kids. So now it was her time. And she's like, you know, I've been battling how crooked my lower teeth have been for years. And she said, I trained myself to smile and not show, you know, my lower teeth. I just, you know, smile a certain way. And we put them on her, and we showed her, this has been 4 weeks. We showed her before picture, and then we showed her what she had that day. She was beside herself. She's like, oh my God, I didn't even realize it had moved so much or so fast. You know, because for a lot of people as human beings, we get adapted to what we see every day. You know, we don't see the minimal change. So our pictures help our patients to see.
So the brand name is Fast Braces.
Fast
so
braces,
you should
yes.
ask your dentist, do you do fast braces?
Yes. And you can go, you can actually type in fast braces. Let's say where, you know, for us it's Sebring or fast braces Lehigh, and our office will come up.
How do orthodontists feel about these fast braces? And why aren't they doing it? Because logically this makes sense. Why would everybody do fast braces? Okay, you're smiling. Go ahead. You have to be politically correct.
Yes,
right
I
here?
do.
Okay. So what is it?
They work. They work. But let's say, you know, if you had a patient and you keep them in there for 2 years versus 6 months, you know.
It's different.
It's different.
Okay.
It's different.
Because orthodontists, they know what they're doing. They do a great job.
They do. They do an awesome job.
Are orthodontists now switching over?
You have some
cases,
orthodontists that
braces?
are. Yeah, there are some orthodontists that are
Is that
doing
the future?
Yes. Yes. Definitely the future.
And then you could have the smile. And then you're happy and you take vacations and everything is great when you have straight teeth, according to you and your husband. Is that right?
Yeah, I worked hard for these.
Good. So you had braces also?
Yes.
Fast braces?
No, I had traditional braces for 7 years.
7 years?
Yes, I had a crossbite, and they wanted to break my jaws, and I'm like, no, I'm good. I'm good. So that's why I ended up wearing them for a longer time.
Can fast braces work with some complicated type of cases?
Yes, they can.
Okay.
Yeah, they can.